Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topic from the nutrition, that is glycemic index and its relation with diabetes. This particular topic is not only important for a theoretical exam because it is asked as a short note, but also important for the management of diabetes patient. Learning objective for today's video are: first we will see what is glycemic index, then we will discuss how this glycemic index is calculated, and in the end we will discuss glycemic index of various food sources. To download lecture notes and other interesting stuff related to biochemistry, please visit website biochemistrybasics.com. First, what is glycemic index? Glycemic index refers to extent of ability of carbohydrate containing food to increase the blood glucose level following its digestion and absorption. It is a ranking system from 0 to 100 in order to compare the glycemic response to various foods, primarily complex carbohydrates. It depends upon the structure, crystallization, or hydration of starch present in various foods. So that is the definition of glycemic index. Usually, food containing refined or pure sugars like glucose have a high glycemic index because they are easily digested and quickly absorbed. While foods containing starch in complex form combined with other food components like proteins or fats or fibers have a low glycemic index. So as a general rule, glycemic index of carbohydrate is lowered if it is combined with protein, fat or fiber. Glycemic index is high for bread, potatoes and table sugar, while it is low for legumes and whole grain seeds. Now we will see how glycemic index is calculated. So glycemic index is assessed by performing glucose tolerance test after eating particular diet and comparing it with a reference meal. Over here, reference meal is of 50 gram of glucose. So the glycemic index is equal to incremental area under glucose tolerance curve after 50 gram of test meal divided by incremental area under curve after 50 gram of reference meal, that is 50 gram of glucose multiplied by 100. So that is how glycemic index is calculated. Now we will see relation of glycemic index with diabetes. So glycemic index is useful in formulating therapeutic diets for diabetic patients. Diabetics are advised to have low glycemic index foods to prevent postprandial hyperglycemia, which leads to complications. Low glycemic index diets can significantly reduce total and LDL cholesterol, which is a bad cholesterol. And low glycemic index diet is also best for weight management. That is relation of glycemic index with diabetes. Now various foods according to their glycemic index is divided into three categories. That is high glycemic index food, medium glycemic index food and low glycemic index food. So the foods having glycemic index of greater than or equal to 70 is categorized in high glycemic index food, which causes rapid increase in blood sugar level. Foods having glycemic index of 56 to 69 are categorized in medium glycemic index food. It causes moderate increase in blood sugar levels. And foods having less than or equal to 55 glycemic index is categorized in low glycemic index food, and it causes slow increase in blood sugar levels. So that is the classification as per the glycemic index. Now we will see glycemic index of various food items. This is the table showing the glycemic index of various food items. As you can see, potato chips have a very high glycemic index, that is 80 to 90. Bread and white rice also have a very high glycemic index, that is 70 to 79. While brown rice, bananas are classified into moderate glycemic index foods and they have a glycemic index of 60 to 69. Beans, peas, legumes, peanuts, milk, and ice cream are classified into low glycemic index food. Though ice cream contain high amount of glucose, but it is present with the fat which prevents its absorption. So ice cream have a low glycemic index, and various fruits are also categorized in low glycemic index foods except watermelon and bananas. So that is the glycemic index of various food items. So that is all about glycemic index. These are my references. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Biochemistry Basics by Dr. Amit. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from it. Thank you.